Welcome back to Baja. We just finished up our taco tour in Guerrero Negro, so if you want to see that, go back an episode. This time, we are headed to one of our favorite places down here. It's been an amazing experience every time.
Las ballenas!
We're gonna go pet the gray whales, hopefully.
Hopefully.
So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Shop through our Amazon links. Let us know what you think about this trip. We made it to camp. So the way out here drives through the salt flats, which is basically what put Guerrero Negro on the map. It's one of the largest salt mines in Baja. And there's just a little security checkpoint where they take your name and your license plate number, and then they'll check us out on our way out. So this is camp at Ojo De Liebre. This is one of 3 lagoons in Baja where the gray whales come to calve and mate every year. And they're here from approximately January through March. This is the earliest time of the year that we've been here. Usually it's about a month later, so we're not really sure how it's gonna pan out. We will find out. Good morning. We've been up for a couple hours already. It was early morning. No mice this year though.
I thought I heard one.
I know, Greg thought he heard one. He woke up all of a sudden, turned his fan off. We are packed up and waiting for the whale tour office to open. So we're just gonna go hang out, and then we will buy our tickets and wait for them to let us board a boat.
Chilly, gloomy morning.
Yeah, it is cold. It's wet. It's very cloudy.
We'll see what kind of results we get. This is the earliest we've done it. I think I said that already.
Yeah. And
the whales are out really far, so we're gonna do a little research for you guys to determine whether, I don't know what the date is, January 10th-ish.
It's too soon.
Is too soon or not.
Yeah. We'll see. Maybe we'll get lucky.
Hopefully. flip them.
Going right.
Guest Star Brook. Guest Star Brook. What was your whale experience?
We saw some. There's not a lot out right now. We're early.
How many did they say are out there?
About 20 of the 1,500 that will be here next month.
All right, so yeah, we would recommend waiting until mid to late February. It's probably the ideal time to see maximum whales, and they'll probably just float around a lot more and come up to the boat, whereas right now they seem to be moving pretty quickly still. So we just drove around a lot and chased whales.
I was wondering if possibly of the 1,000 plus that are out here, is there just 1% that like to be pet? So there's only 10 of them
maybe
out of the 1,000 when they're here.
Yeah.
So maybe they're not even here yet. Or is it just depending on the day?
We
Do
did get
all
to
whales like to be pet or just some?
That's a good question. We did get to see a mom and a baby pretty close, which we haven't every time. So
and
that
some
was nice.
mating.
And some mating.
Happening.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the next episode. We're not even sure where we're headed next.
South.